I can also, let's say you had to dispense gasketing material or glue or whatever, but not on a flat plane, right? So you could come in here and you could set your plane. Let's say this is your nozzle, right? You can say, okay, that's the distance I need to be. That's where I want to start my path. I can lock that into a plane mode. Now I can't move it in Z. I can only move it about X and Y to teach. So then I can say, okay, maybe I'm the operator because the operator knows how to do it and you get a lot of changeovers. And so I can hit record. You can play and repeat the exact same thing. So natively, it's going to match, right now I was talking, right? It's going to match your speed, your pause, everything by default.